The Manhattan Project was a top-secret project by the USA in hopes of creating a weapon that would end World War II. The main ideas and outlines of the Manhattan Project started in 1939. Albert Einstein was one of the scientists who greatly aided the making of the atomic bomb. Many of the scientists that began the outlines of the project were refugees from Europe. Einstein had no idea how large this project would be and how much it would affect the world. Albert Einstein convinced his fellow scientists to present the idea of an uncontrolled fission chain reaction to President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The need for an atomic bomb was growing large because it was thought that Hitler himself was making one. In 1939, Otto Hahn, a friend of Einstein, discovered that the nucleus of uranium can be broken down easily by using other neutrons to produce enormous amounts of energy. The atomic bomb was based off the theory of relativity by Albert Einstein. E equals mc squared is based on the fact that the speed of light, c, is very fast and just a small amount of mass, m, can release large quantities of energy, e. Nuclear fission is the energy source of the atomic bomb. It occurs when an atom is split. Little Boy was the first atomic bomb ever used in combat. It was a gun-type uranium-235 weapon that exploded over Hiroshima, Japan, with a force of 13,000 tons of TNT. About 70,000 to 130,000 people died immediately. Fat Man was the second nuclear bomb used in combat and the most recent one. It was a plutonium implosion device that exploded over Nagasaki, Japan. It had a range of about 20 kilotons of TNT. About 35,000 to 40,000 people died immediately. The methods of making an atomic bomb haven't changed to this day. However, a new type of nuclear bomb has been made, a thermonuclear bomb, or a hydrogen bomb. These types of bombs explode when hydrogen atoms go through fusion, unlike the atomic bomb, which goes through fission. In 1945, plutonium was shipped to Los Alamos for construction of the plutonium bomb. Los Alamos had a large involvement in the making of the atomic bomb and the Manhattan Project. There are multiple laboratories where scientists experimented. The making of the atomic bomb and the Manhattan Project has affected the USA and the world. It has caused all kinds of standoffs between two nuclear countries. One such example was the Soviet Union and the USA. This standoff between the Soviet Union and USA later became known as the Cold War. This war became the closest the USA has ever become to being hit by a nuclear bomb. Many countries today have nuclear bombs. This could later be a danger to the USA and the world. If World War III ever happens, nuclear bombs are sure to